The Sanitaire RESPONSE Multi-Surface Vacuum. Clean smarter. Intelligent sonar technology detects floor types from hard floor to carpet, automatically adjusting the brush roll speed for optimal and powerful performance. Efficiently clean above the floor and upholstery with a quick-release extension wand and onboard tools. The multi-surface brush roll with stiff and soft bristles captures everything from fine dust to larger debris. Easy maintenance with a one-touch easy empty dust cup. Easy to maneuver with swivel steering and lightweight design. Engineered with long-life motor and commercial-grade polycarbonate plastics for durability. LED headlights illuminate for enhanced visibility. Take the next step in commercial cleaning. Clean smarter. The Sanitaire RESPONSE Multi-Surface Upright.